really didn't expect to get this excited. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video. Today's video, it is another synthetic wig video, but this time, as you guys can see, this is a long synthetic hair. Okay, this synthetic wig, this is a highlighted long body wave wig. Okay, this so far has been my favorite wig, y'all. My favorite, because of the color, because of the, you know, like how the lace is and how it's like very flat at the front, the curl, the body, the softness, the density is pretty full. Like, y'all, this is one of my favorites. Okay, the short was cute too, but I was like, you know what, let me not already prejudge, let me not already decide, let me try another one and see. And like I said, this long is just doing it for me. So if you guys don't already know, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. If you don't know, baby, you're new here. Okay, we do give hugs around this mug. So without further ado, let me go ahead and just give you a hug. And we're just gonna jump into the video about what this video is consistent of or whatnot. So yeah, so let's go ahead and give me a hug, and we're just gonna jump into the video. You do not already know, we do give hugs around this mug. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this tutorial so you guys can know how to do it. And like I said, do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye bye. So Kalyss wig came in this bag. Okay, it has the instructions and everything on the back of it to show you guys how to care for this high quality synthetic hair. Okay, y'all, so let me show you guys how the wig looks. Okay, so the wig comes in like a color 4 with like the honey blonde highlighted pieces, and it comes with the middle part. Okay, the inside of the wig comes with that little fabric piece, which kind of mimics a scalp. It's not anyone's scalp color. It's like a pinkish type of cloth material that is under it. But honestly, I didn't take it off because it didn't even look bad. It looked pretty okay, considering that you can't bleach or not. So I think that's a pretty good step that they decided to put to kind of give it that scalp look. Okay, and then it comes with 2 combs on the side, of course, and a comb in the back with an elastic little strap to tighten the wig. But that's basically how the hair looks. The hair was already worn in this video right here afterwards, so yeah. And then it came with a wig cap, I'm sorry, in the bag that Kalyss provided. So yeah. I really didn't expect to get this excited. I got makeup on my shirt, but that's besides the point. Wow, I actually like this wig. I think I'm gonna wear this wig today. I know it's hot, but let me be great and let me enjoy it. And I'm gonna wear this wig, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it hold up too, because it's no point in me buying this hair or you guys purchasing this wig and it doesn't hold up right, you know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut some layers in it. Use my razor. Hold up. And I'm going to use like the long side, and I'm going to cut some layers, start at the front and kind of just back. Back. Right. So I did a little something. And it still has a lot of body. And it's getting tangled, y'all, but it's not like a rough tangle. I need to do a little bit more layers in the front. Okay, enough of all of that. Off the back, this is not cute. I mean, it's not cute. Like, it fits pretty nice though. But I'm gonna do a little bit of plucking to make this look way more natural. I'm just gonna concentrate on the front part and wear it more so like a closure. Because like I said, you know, what can you expect when a wig is like not very expensive? I think it's plucking pretty fine. My arm's already burned, so that's not a good sign. And I'm just going backwards. I'm going back, behind, and all that good stuff. I mean, hair's coming out, but Lord, how long is this about to take? I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Okay, so I plucked it a little bit, whatever. That's all I'm gonna do. So one thing I like about this is it lays very, 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 very flat. Yeah, it lays very, very flat. Honestly, I don't think you guys have to pluck. That was just me seeing how it was gonna do, like if it was gonna have much of a difference. In my opinion, it doesn't. So what I like to do, like I said, is my edges, I like to just kind of leave a little bit of my edges out. When it doesn't have very natural hairlines, I feel like that's the way to make it look more believable. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of foam. I'm gonna do, okay, I already have a part right there, so that's good. Just kind of try to define my part a little bit, just to give it a chance, a fair shot. I'm gonna use some mousse and just start to figure out where I'm gonna have some baby hair at, okay? With synthetic hair, I just highly recommend, for it to look as natural as possible, please, please, please use your real hair, your real edges. Because the beginning, they just, you know, they don't know how to make it look natural. Whoever be making these wigs, they just don't know how to make it look natural, okay? The edges. And I feel like the edges are the dead giveaway, okay? The roots, the edges, the part, all that stuff is a dead giveaway. So I'm just defining the part, putting a little bit of got to be glue gel. I'm about to put y'all on game. Like, I'm putting y'all on game for real, because the COVID thing, and a lot of people have limited money and, you know, was out of work but still want to look good. And you can buy it off of Amazon. I think you can buy it off Amazon. No, I don't think you can. Yes, you can. I think you can buy these off Amazon for real. Because I actually wanted to start a series with like how to look fly, like how to look, you know, cute on a budget, and I reached out to this company. So yeah, so line it up, not directly like on the hairline, a little bit, let's see, like a little bit behind. Let me put a little bit of spray. Got to be glue spray. Just put some heat to it. Make it a little tacky. And right there is where we're gonna put it. Right there. You may have to cut a little bit more lace off, but that's cool. Oh, okay. Okay, it doesn't look perfect yet or whatever, but just give me a minute. Make it as straight as you can get it. I'm gonna do a little bit of mousse. Lay the root down. Okay, this little edges right here, I'm just gonna swoop. I really want to slide this up a little bit. Yeah, right there. Okay, and now you put a little bit of makeup on the part because the part is just not defined. I'm gonna use like the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It ain't perfect, but it's in there. And that's how the part looks. One last step, I'm going to put a little bit of powder at the front. Right there, just to kind of, on the lace a little bit. The parts, like, yes, like baby. This wig is cute. It is so cute. So yeah, y'all, I'm going to change my shirt and I'll be back so you guys can see the final look, how it looks dressed up with earrings and everything, and I'll be back.